Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Capital One versus American Express. Capital One and American Express both offer strong credit card options, but they serve different types of users. Capital One is a popular credit card company known for offering simple and rewarding cards. Whether you want cashback or travel points, they have options like Quicksilver and Venture that are easy to use. Most of their cards don't have foreign transaction fees, which is great for travelers. They also offer helpful tools like CreditWise to track your credit score for free. The rewards are straightforward, no rotating categories or confusing rules. You can redeem your points or cashback without restrictions. American Express is a premium credit card company known for great rewards and strong customer service. Their card, like Amex Gold and Platinum, offer big points on things like dining, groceries, and travel. Amex is great if you like perks like launch access, hotel upgrades, and monthly credits for food, Uber, and more. The rewards can be very valuable, especially when transferred to travel partners. However, Amex Credit often have higher annual fees and aren't accepted everywhere. They also focus more on people who spend a lot and want luxury benefits. Overall, Capital One is better for simple, flexible rewards with wider acceptance, while American Express is better for premium perks and high-value travel benefits. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.